Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain how to stop background apps on your Android phone. Everyone downloads and installs numerous apps for life, work, entertainment, or study, and these can be very helpful. However, if you have many apps installed, some may run in the background, significantly reducing your Android phone's battery life. Therefore, some Android users may be asking how to stop background apps on their Android phone. If you're wondering, you've come to the right place. Today's video will show you how to turn off background apps on your Android phone. Please be patient and try all the methods in the video. This video is suitable for phones from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Because your Android's battery is draining faster than expected, you might want to stop Android apps from running in the background. But before you begin, let's explore other possible causes of this problem. For example, app optimization may be insufficient, there may be issues with the app, or malware may be causing issues, significantly reducing battery life. If your Android device is experiencing issues due to any of these reasons, be sure to fix these issues first. To troubleshoot and ensure a better user experience, be sure to follow our guide to first address the possible causes of your Android device's issues. Closing apps running in the background on your Android phone can affect your user experience. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1 is a reboot. To troubleshoot issues caused by external factors, before stopping apps running in the background on your Android phone, we can first try the simplest method of rebooting. Rebooting can eliminate most software issues and restart the Android system and apps. To reboot your Android phone, follow these steps: press and hold the power button until the reboot screen appears. On the reboot screen, tap the reboot icon. Your phone will reboot. Wait patiently for the reboot to complete, then use your phone normally to see if it returns to normal operation. Method 2 is to disable apps and settings. To stop background apps on an Android phone, many people assume they should go to settings and find and disable them. While this is perfectly correct, some users may not know the specific steps to disable apps. Here, we'll explain how to stop background apps on your Android phone. Please follow along. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to the apps section, and tap it to enter the app screen. In this screen, find and select the app you want to stop. A Force Stop button will appear in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap Force Stop and confirm. This will disable apps running in the background on your Android phone. Finally, restart your Android phone. Method 3, disable apps in developer mode. If you don't see the app you want to stop in the apps section under General Settings, which means you can't turn off background apps on your Android phone, you'll need to enable developer mode to view more background apps. To enable developer mode, open Settings, tap About Phone, and then tap Software Information. On the new screen, you'll see a build number option. Tap it repeatedly until you see a message stating you're now a developer. Then, return to Settings. Developer Options will appear. Tap Developer Options, then find and select Running Services. Here you'll see all currently running apps. If you still need to kill background apps on Android, simply find the app and stop it. Method 4 involves finding the problematic app on the home screen. There's another way to remove background apps on an Android phone, and this method doesn't require you to go into Settings or Developer Mode, you can do it from the home screen. To do this, find the app you want to stop on the home screen and long press it until a new pop-up window appears. In this pop-up window, tap the eye icon in the upper right corner. This will take you directly to the app details screen, where you can also force stop the app. Method 5 involves seeking help from a mobile phone store. If you can't find the solution to stop apps from running in the background and using data, we may not be able to help you. You should take your phone to a mobile phone store to see if they can help you find and disable the app. Finally, we hope your Android phone problem is resolved quickly and perfectly. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and we think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you resolve your issue. If you think we need improvement, please leave your comments and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.